Hello, my friend, and welcome back to another episode of Bullet Journaling, or as I like to call it, Junk Journal Bullet Journal. So let's start. The previous episode, I just did the title and the weekly, and I didn't show you exactly how I'm doing the to-do list. And this week, I will show you my collage and my week. I'm gonna do a weekly planning, and beside it, I'm gonna do some collaging, just to have some fun as well. I love this type of bullet journal because it can be so much fun collaging and doing some art, but also it's been very practical for me. I'm starting out with separating the page to weekly. I'm just choosing some scraps of paper from my drawer and see what feels like working with. I'm grabbing a big scrap just to cover that area with the bleeding of the stamps. I'm choosing neutral colors as usual, and I'm taking some book pages and just regular notebook pages that I have, and I'm just collaging that area of that page. I want to keep it very simple and minimal on that area so it won't be too much. I have this scrap of paper, which is an ordinary scrapbook paper, I think, and I grabbed that area with the script on it. I grabbed this half doily that I have and I wanted to use it. And yeah, I'm just still working on that page, trying to figure out how I want things to look. I'm grabbing my glue stick and I'm starting to glue everything onto the page. As I said, I wanted to keep this page very neutral, so I'm keeping with the brown, yellow, white colors. And I have this wallpaper and I'm fuzzy cutting it. It's a beautiful image of a woman standing in front of a mirror. It's a very known vintage image. And yeah, I really love this picture and I thought of using it. And it adds lots of color but also combines everything together. So yeah, I'm still figuring out how and what to put. I love this little tag that I have. I got it a while ago and I really wanted to use that. And yeah, I decided to put it down and I really wanted to put a thread. So I grabbed this Bordeaux, I think it's called. It's a very dark red color. I just put it through the hole and tied very tightly. I glued the tag onto that page and just cut the thread just a bit. So yeah, now I'm just going over the lines that I did with my pencil. I'm going over them with my pen. After I finish with the line, I'm trying to figure out how to decorate the top of that page and the bottom of that page. So I'm pretty much playing with these two scraps of paper, trying to figure out how I want them to be placed. Because it is almost Valentine, I thought of putting this little cute angel, but at the end I didn't use that. I have this beautiful image of crystal that I grabbed from Pinterest, I think, and or maybe Canva, I'm not sure, either of them. And I just cut it and add a little scrap of paper underneath that. I'm just trying to collage that little small area. After I'm pretty much sure how I want things to go, I'm starting to glue everything on top of the page. I have a few washi tapes that I wanted to pull out. And I took this brown one and just added it at the side. And I have this gray washi tape that I want to put on, and I have this gray washi tape that I want to put on top of that and at the bottom of the next page. I also have this beautiful flower, it also black and white. I'm grabbing my coffee dyed paper scrap and I'm just cutting to the size that I wanted. And then I add the flower. I also added the brown washi tape that I used. And now I really want to add a label for the dates of that week. And I'm just quickly distressing the edges a bit and the label. Now I'm taking my distress ink and a vintage photo, I think, and now I'm starting to stamp the dates, which always is a struggle for me. And yeah, I'm slowly stamping from Sunday to Thursday. And I'm adding the weekend. Now I'm adding the numbers of this week, which is I think it starts from the 7th until the 13th. And I decided to add another scrap of paper. And some washi tape that I used before, the gray one. I have this beautiful butterfly from Barbara, and I have this beautiful butterfly from Barbara from at 49 Dragonflies. I just added onto the page. And I grabbed my pen again and I'm writing just at the side of that page. I'm writing, make things out of love and passion. Create the things that will make you happy. It's like a little affirmation. And I decided to add another washi tape, just a small one at the top. And I have this cute number and I wanted to add it onto that page. Now I have this little border. I've never used that. I have it for more than 10 years, even more than that. And I decided to stamp it on top of that page. I have these cute little stamps of a star and a heart. And yeah, After I'm happy with everything, I'm taking my stickers, which I want to use more because I have too many of them and I never use them. I always hoard them. So I'm just going through my stickers and seeing what will fit here. I have these cute stickers and I grabbed the one that says weekend. And now I have these cute little stickers and I really wanted to add a few here and a few there. I grabbed my brushable pens and I'm just coloring the days where I'm uploading, which is red, and when I publish my blog post. And yeah, at first I wanted to write down my tasks and my to-dos, but I decided not to do that. And I also wanted to add a few more stickers. And yeah, I'm pretty much done. I really love how this page turned out. I love the collage. It's so delicate and it's so beautiful, and that yellow orange butterfly is amazing. Thank you so much, Barbara, for that. Before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps so much. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!